I have access to phone, text, email, and video conferencing from the little machine in my pocket. Yet to get legal advice, I had to get a babysitter, drive to my lawyer's office, pay for parking, and spend time in a waiting room. I knew my lawyer was providing valuable support, but I didn't have thousands of dollars for legal fees. I handed over my case and watched as all my savings started to slip away. Not only were my complicated issues with my ex dragging on for months, I was starting to feel nervous that I wouldn't be able to pay my bills. And if I ran out of money before my case was settled, my lawyer would leave me alone. I felt like I didn't have any control. Then I found the Family Law Coach. And now I don't worry that I'm spending more than I can afford on legal fees. I'm now in control of how much I spend every step of the way. I simply purchase time from a lawyer in advance and tell them how I want that time used to support my case.
Did you know that it's estimated that anywhere between 54 and 80% of people in Ontario family courts represent themselves? Studies show that where one side is representing themselves and the other side has a lawyer, the self-rep will lose 5 out of 6 times. This creates an unfair advantage for people who have more resources for legal support. At the Family Law Coach, we believe that with the right knowledge and strategy, self-reps can effectively represent themselves in family court. If you're representing yourself in family court, you'll be happy to know that we aren't your typical legal firm. We're Canada's only firm completely dedicated to unbundled legal advice and coaching services for family law self-reps. If you have a matter in family court or mediation, our experienced lawyers provide legal coaching, so you can present your case in a clear and effective way. Legal advice, so you know how the law applies to you. Help navigating the system, so you know the forms you need, how to fill them out, and what to expect next. And legal agreements, so you don't have to spend big legal fees to get a straightforward agreement. We don't charge big upfront retainers. You simply buy the package of time that's right for you and tell your lawyer what help you want. If you need additional help, you can easily purchase additional time. You'll always know how much you're spending so that you don't go over your budget. Unlike traditional legal services, you're in control of your case, not the lawyer. You control how much money you spend, and you control the help you get. And best of all, with the Family Law Coach, there's no travel to a lawyer's office. All our services are provided by phone and email, so you can reach us from wherever you are in Ontario. No time off work, no babysitters, just convenience. So, if you're looking after your case yourself and want to help get the best result you can, get legal coaching and advice from the Family Law Coach. Contact us for a complimentary strategy session and learn why the Family Law Coach is where cost, control, and convenience meet family law.